G'day everyone, Aaron here from Jim's Antennas. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the products that we use and how we go about diagnosing TV reception issues. So in my hand here, I have a Televiz H45 compact meter. It comes from Matchmaster, one of our great suppliers. It's basically what we call a spectrum analyzer. So it's a device that we can plug into your TV points through the lead here. We can actually then plug it into your antenna. So we can actually measure the signal levels and the errors that are coming through your antenna and diagnose what the issue is. Now, if we jump on your roof and we test your antenna and we find there's nothing wrong with the antenna, it's giving us perfect signal strength, it's giving us no errors, we can then go, okay, the antenna's fine. So we're gonna move down the line. And when we say move down the line, generally an antenna system will have the antenna on the roof, it'll run inside to a splitter, and that splitter will then split to the TV point. So the technician's jumped on your roof, he's tested your antenna, the antenna signal's fine, there's no errors like we've said, he's gonna go into your roof, he's gonna test at the splitter. Now we've tested the splitter, we find there's not a problem at the splitter. The signal at the splitter is still fine, so we'll move down the line again and we might test your TV points and see if the problem's there. Now let's go in reverse. Say we tested your antenna and there is a problem, there is a fault, there's an error, there's some markers that we don't like on the spectrum line, then we might say to you as a customer, look, the antenna's quite old, it's a bit rusted out, we think we should replace it. So we go into the next process then of let's have a look at replacing the antenna. Now, here I've got a couple of antennas from Matchmaster again, one of our great suppliers. This one here is a VHF antenna. So it's a straight VHF antenna, it's a DR3006. Now this antenna here, it's a metro area antenna. It's just a straight VHF antenna, really good for your metro areas. So anywhere like capital cities, Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, it's going to pick up great signal there for VHF. Now the other one I've got here, this is again a Matchmaster antenna, but this is what we call a UHF antenna. So more for your rural areas, getting a UHF signal from a longer distance as well. But again, really great product. Great products here from Matchmaster. Now both these antennas here, they're both Australian made. So that's one thing we like at Jim's Antennas, they're both Australian made antennas. The other beautiful thing with these antennas is they also come with what we call a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. So when our technician comes out, has a chat to you and says, look, your antenna's faulty, it's a bit old, it's analog quality, whatever the reason being, let's upgrade it to a new, say, Australian-made antenna like one of these. We can do the replacement. Not only that, we're going to give you a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. We're going to rip off one of these, and this is your warranty as part of the Jim's Antenna service. So if something like this is what interests you, you're having issues with your TV system, don't hesitate to give us a call on 131 546 for a free, obligation-free quote, or have a look at Jim's